Well, as you see, we got it back together. I'm gonna show y'all some shit that you don't do. In order to get that JL in here, they did some unnecessary cutting. Well, maybe the cutting was necessary to get it in there, but they chopped you right here. Owner was here with me. I showed him the chops. Basically, they went wild with a sawzall. But as you saw, we took it apart. I don't know if I recorded it to get it back together, but we got everything back lined up. Now we can go full speed ahead to wiring it up now. Possibly get some sound tonight or tomorrow. Major pain. Y'all know what about that. But yeah, we're gonna continue to move forward. Just letting you see what I see. Gotta go.
Shut me down if you want, and it's the chance to do it live when I stream.
We out here testing and tuning and working some things out. Let me see something here.
Sugar.
Go ahead, do a little testing and tuning.
Players, put your pinky finger to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the
So, now that how you feeling compared to how it was when you first got it done?
Oh man, shit. Fuck, 100.
If y'all haven't seen where we came from before, with the way the bags were set up, all the unnecessary stuff, and if y'all seen what was in the dash, how they cut it up and how they dropped it in there, we moved to the Sony in there, sneaked some secret sauce in the front, something in the back. We got bag lids because for 2.0 you got to have the locations to get all the speakers in. Now he testing his favorite songs to see what, how he feel about it, stuff that he maybe played before when he previously had music.
It sounds like new songs. It sounds like new music.
It sounds like new music to him, y'all.
Sounds like new music.
Sounds like new music. So
yes.
We're gonna, send him on his way in a minute. We're gonna play around with a little bit more in the morning, run some songs, and make sure it's the way I want it to be. But right now, everybody's smiling.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, go ahead and do your thing, man. I'm not gonna start you let you get in your zone. That's why I just had you sit there with your own seat, and so you be in the right, correct position, instead of sitting on the barrel like we had earlier. But we making it happen. Money's Car Stereo, one day at a time. As I said, we doing a little touch and go, testing a few songs.
I'm that bitch.
To see how.
Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood.
I like how her vocal is real good on this song, and then how the instrument's not a whole bunch of stuff going on. That's why I picked the song, because it was just simple. Didn't she just go into one when she
on
started
the lease to
talking?
break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All the little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash. You the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking stupid. What was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Eat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing.
Okay, last but not least, that one's waiting for a pickup. This one is just gonna go out the door. Orange one's on deck and a green one after that. Man, we played around with this, and you tell me. Wait, let me find a song here, something here. Move.
All right, now we got that out the way. Let's double up.
Wait, I just saw something. But a little outside presentation. Is it more better than what you had? Okay.
Better.
So you saying it's 1,000 times better?
1,000 times better. I'm
Okay.
telling you, it's like new music.
All right. So we
New music.
I gave you the option how to get rid of that knob with
Yeah.
they should make a black one now that's snapping in Harley Davidson, or your local hardware store might have that.
Yeah,
And
I'll find it.
so basically what we're going to show you is basically how your bags come off. All you do is press the button and they pull right off. I can do it with one hand, but go ahead and squeeze it. Verify. And they're off, just like that, yeah. Okay. We also got here your official, man, let me see what's in that bag, man.
Yeah, buddy. I'll mount this on the wall. Shit.
On the wall, man, you got to wear that, man. You got the red and black scenario.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true. Right there.
Yeah, right there, the official.
Right there.
Money's Car Stereo hookup. So
Yeah.
let me ask you this: how did you find out about me?
Word of mouth, Instagram, YouTube. I mean,
Okay.
everybody knows you.
Okay,
Everybody knows
I'm just saying a few people know me, but you say everybody know me.
Everybody
Well,
knows
I'm trying to get where everybody know me, you know.
Everybody knows
And
you the man. You are the man.
well, I will say this: I just work here. That's all I got to say. And so, when we brought you back from the dead, because before when you got here, you was dead, and you had a whole bunch of other unnecessariness going on.
Yeah.
But
unnecessary chopping and
yeah, when people when we do see this, you'll see the story of how this went around and how we brought it around.
Yeah.
So that's all I got to say. Money's Car Stereo.
Night day.
I don't know what
Night
number this is
day.
going to be, but we're going to get them in, get them out, and yell next all day long.
all day.
All day.
brother.
We out of here.
All right.